Hello everyone, this is Virtualwiz from Wiz Tech. Welcome to this Flutter development course for beginners.
In this video, we are going to learn about ListView widgets. Let's get started. So, what is a ListView widget? The ListView widget is a widget that displays a scrollable list of items. It is commonly used for showing lists of data such as contacts, products, or messages. This list can be both vertical or horizontal. Let's look at how we can create a simple list view. Let's first remove this stack widget from our code. So from here to over here, and in our body, to view a list view, we type list view followed with small brackets. Let's add a comma at the end. So inside the list view, we have a children. So this children contains all the items that we are going to display in our list view. So each list view item is listed as list tile, and inside the list tile we need to provide a leading. So the leading will be the first item in the list tile. So let's provide an icon for this. Icons dot home and a title. So the title is a text, or it can be anything like a row even. So first let's provide a text saying home. After this list style, we have another child that is also a list style. So this is the second item in our list view. So again, a leading of icons dot star and a title text. Let's call it star. Now let's run the code. Here you can see we have two items vertically, so a home and a start. So we can have as many items we want in our list view. So let's copy this 10 times and see how it looks. Let's hot restart, and you can see. So the screen is too big. So let's make it more so that we can see how the scrolling works. Here you can see we can scroll through the items. So in this example, we have a vertical list view. So we can also make it a horizontal list view. So to do this, let's first remove all the items inside the list view. To make a horizontal list view, we provide a direction, a scroll direction. So that will be axis dot horizontal, and inside of the children, let's provide three containers with a width of 150, and color, let's provide it colors dot red. And let's make another container. So copy this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and let's make this yellow and this one blue. So let's run the code. Here you can see we have three items laid out horizontally, so red, yellow and blue. So by default, our list view always takes the full height and the full width of the screen, so that's why it is of full height in here. You can scroll through these items like this, but horizontally. So to provide a fixed height, we first have to wrap the list view with a container. So inside the container we provide a fixed height of, let's say, 150, and hot restart the app, and you can see the height is decreased and it is only taking the 150th height of the screen, and you can scroll again. So right now we only have 3 items in our list view, so using a list view is okay. But if we were to have like thousands or 10,000s of items in our list view, using a list view will decrease the performance of our app. So to fix this error, we use a listview.builder. So what is a listview.builder? Listview.builder is a constructor of the ListView widget in Flutter, used to create a scrollable list of items that are generated on demand. It is a powerful and efficient way to display large or dynamic lists without the need to build all the items upfront. Let's look at an example. So let's remove this container, and to make a list view builder, we simply type listview.builder. A list view builder takes 2 parameters: item count, so that is the number of items inside the list view. So let's first right now provide a static of 10, and item builder. So item builder takes in a context and the index, or you can type it ind, indx, whatever you want. So the index is the index of the item count, so it starts from 0 to the number of items inside the list. So let's return a list style with a title of text, and let's first add an empty text. We also have to create a list of items, so final list of strings, let's call it my items, and the list will have first, second and third, and let's change the item count to be as long as the list has items. So my items dot length, so if there is 3 items inside the my items, the item count will be 3. If there is more than 3, like 5, 6, it will be 5 or 6. So, and let's make the text my items my items bracket index. So it will create the first, then the second, then the third. Also add a semicolon over here. Rebuild the app. Here you go. We have a list of 3 list styles: first, second and third. So if I have to create another list, I simply type in the 4th right here, 4th, and hot restart. Here you go, the 4th. So I don't have to recreate the list style over and over again. So let's go over this again. So this my items is a list of strings to be displayed in our list view, and the item count is an integer that represents the number of items in the list. It specifies the total number of items that can be scrolled through inside the list. And the item builder is a callback function that is called to build individual list items dynamically as the user scrolls through the list. It is called an build context and an integer value of index, representing the position of the item in the list. You return the widget you want to display for that particular index. So the main benefit of using ListView.Builder instead of ListView is that only the items currently visible on the screen and a few extra items are built for buffering. As the user scrolls, new items are generated on the fly and the off-screen items are recycled, which significantly improves the performance and reduces the memory uses of the app. And that's a wrap for our today's video on ListView and ListView Builder. In our next video, we'll learn about grid view. Till then, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Wiz Tech.